The market's been pretty wild lately, hasn't it?
It certainly has. A lot of volatility.
And amidst that, your track record, well, it's been quite something. You've shared some data, and these aren't small scalps. We're talking BTC from 113K up to 123K.
That's right.
Then back down from 123 to 117K. And ETH too, 2,500 to 3,000.
Yes, those are key levels we watched.
And more recently, ETH again, 4,160 all the way up to 4,950. These are, well, they're big HTF trades, higher time frame moves, weeks sometimes.
Exactly. They take time to play out.
So how did you manage that? You mentioned sticking to the pinned HTF chart. Can you maybe shed some light on that approach?
Yeah, absolutely. It really, it boils down to discipline. Sticking to that predefined plan. The pin chart isn't magic, right? It's about identifying those key higher time frame levels in advance. And then, crucially, having the patience to wait.
Patience seems to be a recurring theme.
It is.
Yeah.
Especially for these HTF setups, you can't just jump in. You need to let the market structure, breathe. Let it confirm at those levels before you commit.
Okay.
That patience is what allows you to capture those bigger targets, the ones that span weeks, like you mentioned with those BTC and ETH trades. We waited for confirmation, then let them run.
And it wasn't just Bitcoin and Ethereum, was it? Your charts showed moves on, like LTC, UNI, XRP.
AVESUI.
Yeah, right. So the method seems pretty versatile across different coins.
The principles are broadly applicable, definitely, as long as there's liquidity. But there's a really important caveat here.
Okay.
Winning streaks, they feel great, but they can lead to overconfidence. And that's where risk management comes in. It's absolutely paramount.
Ah, yes. The reality check.
Exactly. You can have 10 winning trades in a row, but one poorly sized position, one lapse in risk management can wipe out all those gains, or worse.
So even with a great system, bad sizing kills accounts?
Precisely. It's not the system failing, it's the discipline around risk that breaks down. You have to manage your exposure. Always.
That's such a critical point for anyone trading these larger moves. So looking ahead now, you've talked about this current setup as potentially the final HTF trade of the cycle.
That's the current working hypothesis, yes, based on the structural analysis.
Okay, and we're seeing BTC in that sort of 106 to 110K range now with a target around 125K. What makes this one feel different, possibly final?
Well, it's distinct from the previous moves. It feels slower, more labored maybe. The targets are tighter, more distinct.
Oh, we're fine.
Okay, and the projections suggest it could drag out longer, maybe into September, possibly even October.
Right.
This sort of dragging structure, it actually led me to add an extra smaller target within the trade plan this time, something I didn't need before.
Interesting.
And we're also seeing signs that a new, possibly tighter range might be forming, maybe around that 108K to 112K area. It's just a potential shift in the market dynamic.
So it's less of a sprint, more of a grind maybe, still needing that HTF discipline.
Exactly. The pace changes, but the principles, sticking to your levels, managing risk, patience, they remain constant. You adapt to the tempo, but stay anchored to the plan.
It really highlights that consistency, doesn't it? Having a system, trusting the analysis, and that disciplined risk management you keep emphasizing.
That's the core of it.
So as we navigate what might be this final HTF trade, what's the key takeaway for listeners?
Simple, really. Don't get greedy, ever. Respect your risk. Let the trade play out according to your plan. Don't try to force it or chase it if you miss an entry.
Solid advice. And hey, before we wrap up this deep dive, you've put something together for everyone listening, right? A free resource.
That's right. It's a fundamental ETH bull run 7-pager, completely free.
Okay, tell us about it.
It breaks down what I see as 4 core fundamental values driving ETH forward. Plus, there's a 5th hidden value included.
A hidden value. Intriguing.
And also tucked inside somewhere is a silent discount gift. Just a little something extra.
Nice. So a 7-pager on ETH fundamentals, 4 core values, 1 hidden one, and a secret discount.
Think of it as a bit of a roadmap for what might be next.
Definitely sounds worth grabbing. So you listening should get it, read through it, see which hidden value you think is the real game changer, and maybe find that discount too.
Yeah, let me know what you think.
So here's something to think about. What insight or maybe hidden detail in that guide could genuinely reshape your view of where the market's heading next? And will you be the one to spot that discount? Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
We'll catch you on the next one.